Here's just a recap of some of the type tools that are available in Photoshop. So first things first, I'm going to just create a text box. And just type, there we go. And then at the top of the screen, you'll see all the tools. So here you can change the typeface and the font. So I'm just going to go for Futura. Here you can change the weight of that. So I'm going to go to medium. Here's the size. Now, if you hover over this T, you can see if you click on your mouse, you can actually scale up or down to the size. Here is your paragraph, so you can justify to the center or to the right. I'm just going to do it to the center. Make that a little bit smaller. And then here is the key feature, this little folder here. So you can see these are all the type tools that are available for editing your characters. So here you can see, again, we can scale the type up or down. Now this is what we call your tracking. So the tracking is the space between the characters. So you've got tracking and kerning. So if you simply just hover over this and click, you can see that the characters move in and out. This is a great feature if you're doing the David Carson responses or doing the David Carson links. Now another feature as well is your leading. So the leading in this case is between the lines. So this is just above the tracking tool. So again, if you just hover over that, you can actually reduce the leading, so making those lines closer together. So these are really important features that you can use basically for any type work that you're doing. Alongside this, I'm going to show you how you can cut out of your type as well that you've written. So first things first, we're going to have to rasterize this layer. So what that does is it converts the type layer into an image. So if I just step back, you can see type layer. Once you've rasterized, it goes to an image. And then we're going to go to your selection tool. So this is the marquee tool. I'm just going to draw a rectangle there at the bottom of the screen. Now it allows me to edit in that rectangle. So if I just position it there and then click delete, you'll see that it deletes everything inside that rectangle. All I do then is deselect. So that's quite a nifty thing. Again, if you're doing anything like to do with David Carson, this is, a great feature. Another thing as well that you could do is you could go to your magic wand tool. So simply click on your magic wand, and then if you click on an area, to select the rest of it, you just click Control and then go to Similar. That selects all the black in that layer. I'm then going to delete. And I'm going to go to the marquee tool again and then click on my Control key and then go down to Stroke. And what this enables you to do is put an outline around the text. Again, this is something that would probably be appropriate for the David Carson links or the David Carson So what you can do then is go to your Lasso tool, and again this is a selection tool, so you can just select an area, click delete, and obviously that will delete anything within that area that you've drawn with the lasso. So it's really nifty. There's lots of things that you can do and you can experiment with type in Photoshop, and these features also are included in Illustrator as well.